Okay, so right now we are going to discuss inverse trigonometric functions. And I will write all the basic formulas for inverse trigonometric function.
And kung may book value tayo, meron din siyang accumulated differentiation. Kita na? Kita? Tatawagin natin itong Newton second law. At a certain year, sabihin natin R. Then we have so under Newton second law, ma-apply nyo na rin naman na dito yung ano.
Okay. So, ito muna ang unahin natin na basic formulas. So, number 1 is d over dx arc sine u is equivalent to du over dx over square root of 1 minus u squared. And our second formula is d over dx arc cosine u is equivalent to negative du over dx over square root of 1 minus u squared. And so, itong dalawang formula na ito ang gagamitin natin sa pag-solve ng arc sine and arc cosine differentiation. Okay? So, let's have an example for these two formulas. So, examples. We have number 1 example. So, let's say we have y is equivalent to arc sine for x. Okay? So, by the way, arc sine can be written as sine raised to negative 1 u. Okay? So, itong kanyang sine raised to negative 1, ibig sabihin niya, arc sine yan. So, equal lang yan sa arc sine u. Okay? So, kumbaga, imbis na sine raised to negative 1 u, ang pagbasa natin dito ay arc sine u. Okay? Ganon din sa number 2. So, yung arc cosine ay equivalent siya sa cosine raised to negative 1 u. So, ang basa natin dyan ay arc cosine u. Kasi nga, nasa inverse trigonometric function na tayo. Okay? Inverse. Okay, so proceeding sa ating example, y is equivalent to arc sine for x. Gagamitin lang natin yung formula number 1. Okay? So we have now dy over dx is equivalent to, so ano ang u natin? Okay? Ano nga ulit yung formula natin, di ba? Du over dx is equivalent to square root of 1 minus u square. Okay? And we are going to note that u is equivalent to 4x and du is equivalent to 4. Okay? So, du over dx yan. Kasi ang derivative ng u, which is 4x, ay 4. So, substitute na natin dito. So, 4 over square root of 1 minus, ano ang u natin? 4x. So, 4x square. So, simplify lang natin. Dy over dx is equivalent to 4 over square root of 1 minus 16x square, or equivalent to y prime. Okay? So, masisimplify pa ba natin yan? So, hindi na. Kaya, eto na ang ating final answer. Okay? Yan. So, ganyan lang si arc sine. Now, let's proceed for the example number 2, wherein we're going to use the arc cosine. Okay? Arc cosine. Okay, let's say we have arc y is equivalent to arc cosine 10x. Okay, so parang same lang din siya sa ating naunang example. Using our formula, arc cosine negative du over dx is equivalent to square root of 1 minus u square. Okay? Okay. So, parang pareho lang sila sa arc sine, pero ito merong negative. So, ang du natin, u natin dito ay 10x. And derivative ng u natin is 10. Okay, so using our formula, y prime or dy over dx is equivalent to negative du natin 10 over square root of 1 minus 10x squared. So, y prime now is equivalent to negative 10 over square root of 1 minus 100x squared. So, eto na ang ating final answer. Okay? So, yan na ang final answer natin. Answer. Okay? So, now, proceed tayo sa ating susunod na mga basic formula. Okay? So, we have another basic formula. Basic formula number 3, which is the derivative of arctangent to arctangent u is equivalent to du over dx over 1 plus u squared. Next, number 4, we have the derivative of arc cotangent. Arc cotangent u is equivalent to negative du over dx over 1 plus u squared. So, parang same lang din. Kaso, itong arc cotangent ay merong negative. Okay? So, arc tangent can be written as tangent negative 1 u. Okay? So, pag binasa natin to ay arc tangent equals arc tangent u. Okay? Ito naman, arc cotangent ay pwede siyang ganitong i-rewrite, isulat. Cotangent sa negative 1 u. So, equals, so pag binasa natin, arc cotangent u. Okay? So, yan. Pag nakita nyo ganito, arc tangent. Arc cotangent. Kasi, nga, nasa inverse trigonometric functions tayo. Okay? So, let's proceed to the examples for these basic formulas of inverse trigonometric functions. So, examples. So, example number 3 na tayo. Okay? Example number 3, let's say we have theta is equivalent to arc tangent 3 phi. Yan. So, ano ang u natin? U natin is 3 phi. Okay? So, derivative ng u natin, du over d ano ba ito? Yan. Ano ba? Is equivalent to 3. Diba? Ayan. Now, going back to our formula for tangent, arc tangent, du over dx equivalent to 1 plus u squared. So, applying, so ito na, solution natin, d theta over d phi is equivalent to ano? du over dx. So, we have 3. Diba? Over 1 plus 3 phi square. So, simplify lang natin. 3 over 3 plus 9 phi square. Ayan. So, masisimplify pa ba natin ito? Hindi na. So, yan na ang magiging final answer natin. Okay? Answer. Ayan. So, kung papansin nyo, lagi tayong dito sa inverse trigonometric functions, lagi tayong nagdedepende sa mga basic formulas natin. Okay? Example number 4. Example number 4 for cotangent. Okay? So, ganun lang din. Let's say we have y is equivalent to arc cotangent 5x. Ayan. So, ano yung formula natin? du over dx is equivalent to 1 plus u square. Huwag natin kalilimutan yung negative kasi cotangent tayo. So, ang u natin is 5x. So, du over dx is equivalent to 5. And using our formula, so, dy over dx or y prime is equivalent to negative 5 over 1 plus u natin 5x square. Okay? So, y prime now is equivalent to negative 5 over 1 plus 25x square. And yan na ang ating final answer kasi hindi na natin yan pwedeng i-simplify. Pag i-simplify pa natin yan, baka or galawin pa natin yan, baka mas maging komplikado pa. Okay? Now, proceed tayo sa other basic formula. Basic formulas. Okay? So, we have number 5 formula. So, we have the derivative of arc secant. Okay, secant na tayo. Secant u is equivalent to du over dx over u square root of u square minus 1. Okay? So, arc secant can be written as, okay, secant is to negative 1 u. Okay? So, ito ay same lang siya dito sa arc secant. Okay? So, kumbaga, itong secant raised to negative 1, babasahin natin siya as arc secant u. Okay? Kasi, parang ganito lang siya. Ganon din sa mga previous sa arc sine, arc cosine, arc tangent, arc cotangent. Kasi, 1 over secant u. Okay? So, itinaas natin yung secant, magiging secant raised to negative 1u or arc secant u. Ganon din sila sine. So, sila arc sine 1 over sine u. Yan. So, secant raised to negative 1. Ay, sine pala. Ayan. So, meron tayong sine raised to negative 1 u. So, baka basahin nyo pa yan, sine raised to negative 1 u. Hindi. Arc sine u na yan. Okay? Ganun lang siya. So, next, we have the number 6. So, we have the derivative of arc cosecant. Arc cosecant u. Okay? Equals. Same ulit siya, pero merong negative. So, negative du over dx over u square root of u square minus. Okay? So, can be rewrite as arc there's a negative 1. Ayan. So, arc cosecant u. Yeah. So, examples. Examples. Sample number 5. Sample number 5 tayo. secant.
O pala, dr all over. Sabi nga natin kanina, yung denominator is the period of time. Ano yung ilalagay natin dito? Anong year? Guys?
Let's say what we have y is equivalent to arc secant for x. Okay? So using our formula, du over dx over u square root of u square minus 1. Tama ba? Ayan, tama. So, ang u natin ay 4x and derivative ng u natin or du over dx ay 4. So, dy over dx or y prime is equivalent to what? We have ito, 4 over 4x square root of what? 4x ulit. 4x square minus 1. Or, we have 4 over 4x square root of 16x square minus 1. So, pwede pa natin i-simplify yan. Pwede nating i-cancel to. So, 4, 4. So, y prime is equivalent to 1 over x square root of 16x square minus 1. Okay? So, hindi na natin pwedeng galawin yan. Yan na ang magiging final answer natin. Okay? So, ganyan lang siya. Kailangan lang natin gamitin yung formula natin. Okay? Example number 6. Okay? So, we're going to use the formula of arc cosecant. So, let's say we have x is equivalent to arc cosecant 3t. Okay? Yan. So, ano yung formula natin? du over dx u square root of u square minus 1. So, huwag natin kalilimutan yung negative. Okay, solution. U natin ay 3t. And du over dt natin ay 3. Okay? So, using our formula, so dx over dt is equivalent to negative 3 over, anong yun natin? 3t. So, 3t square root of u natin 3t square minus 1. So, simplify. Negative 3 over 3t square root of 9t square minus 1. So, pwede ba natin i-simplify yan? Oo. So, dx over dt now is equivalent to, kasi ito makakancel na. So, we have negative 1 over t square root of 9t square minus 1. So, yan na ang final answer natin. Okay? Yan na ang final answer natin. Ayan. So, yan lang yung basic formulas natin and bibigay pa ako ng additional examples sa mga susunod na video. Thank you.